In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use bank transfer on Temu. To get started, open the Temu app or go to the Temu website, then sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, browse as usual and add the items you want to buy to your cart. After that, head to checkout so you can begin the payment process. At checkout, make sure your shipping address is entered correctly. If you already have an address saved, take a moment to confirm that everything is up to date before moving on. This is important because payment and order processing usually go much more smoothly when your delivery details are accurate from the start. Next, go to the payment screen. Here, you'll need to check whether bank transfer is available as a payment method in your region. Availability can vary depending on where you're located, so don't worry if the option looks different from what someone else sees. If bank transfer is offered, select it to continue. Once you choose bank transfer, Temu will provide the bank account details and specific payment instructions you need to follow. Read this information carefully. It's important to use the exact details shown since bank transfers typically need to match the order information correctly in order to be processed without delays. After that, open your banking app or log into your online banking service and complete the transfer. As you do this, make sure the payment amount matches your order total exactly. If the instructions include a payment reference or note, be sure to enter it exactly as shown. Small mistakes here can sometimes slow down verification. When the transfer is complete, keep the payment confirmation for your records. This can be helpful in case you need to check the payment status later or contact support about your order. A screenshot, digital receipt, or confirmation page is usually enough, as long as it clearly shows that the transfer was submitted. Finally, wait for Temu to verify your payment and process the order. Bank transfers are not always instant, so it may take a little time before your payment is confirmed and your order moves forward. During that time, it's a good idea to monitor your order status in your Temu account for any updates, and that's all it takes to use bank transfer on Temu. Follow the payment instructions carefully, keep your confirmation, and give the platform time to verify the transfer before